Rising like a silver needle from Brighton's historic seafront, the i360 isn't just an observation tower. It's a moment suspended in air. Below you, the curve of the coastline, the city's patchwork rooftops, and the ghostly remains of the West Pier flicker in and out of view. Designed by the creators of the London Eye, the i360 opened in 2016 with sky-high ambition. A floating pod, fully enclosed in glass, climbs to 138 meters, offering a 360-degree view from the South Downs to the Isle of Wight on a clear day. After financial turbulence and a brief closure in 2024, it was revived with fresh energy and new owners in 2025. Step into the View 360 experience, and the world slips away. The pod glides skyward in near silence, revealing the chalk cliffs of Beachy Head, the thread of trains heading to London, and the restless shimmer of the Channel. Inside, it's calm, sleek, temperature-controlled, accessible to all. A slow spin of the city from above, with drinks and soft light. For the bold, there's more. The skywalk lets you step outside the pod, safely harnessed, to feel the wind 450 feet above the sea, or climb all the way to the tower's crown in the Climb 360 Challenge. These are not just views, they're victories. Now, under new ownership, the i360 has been reborn. Above it all, the i360 is more than an attraction. It's a perspective shift, a still moment above a city always in motion.